Alright, we're recording. I'm gonna solder this cable back into this fan here. Get all the plastic off it. I got too much wire here.
Oh shit, I should have done that for you. I got enough of it.
That's good. Okay, so positive is on the right, negative is on the left. I'm gonna do it just like it is right here. I got my soldering iron heated up to 425. I'm gonna turn it on just to 420. We're running at 420 degrees Celsius just because. Turn it down a little bit. We're gonna want to add a little bit of this more flux.
Is it Celsius?
We're gonna flux the wires so that solder flows right nice onto that power cable right there and connect it. And there should be enough existing solder on there. Oh, that's hot. For me to not have to worry about having to add any. I have to add this. And that one's connected. Oh, no. Trying to flow the solder. This is a little difficult. Flow the solder onto the board. Then we're gonna turn this, melt the plastic on this here. I'm gonna add a little solder to it. Whoop. It's okay. I got it. I'm gonna add a little bit of this to my solder gun. There we go. Make sure this is positive. I can't see it very well. My eyes are twitching out or something. There we go. And we're good. Let's get it. Oh. There. Well, let's do the negative. Oh, I can't get a grip at it at this angle. So I had the positive connected very well. Or did I connect the positive to the negative? No, it's good. It's to the positive. I thought I connected it to the negative. I would have been a little sad. We might need to add a little more of this. Made it a little easier. But this is leaded solder too, so it's not the greatest. This.
If it was on backwards, would it just go backwards?
No, it wouldn't even turn on. Oh, that hot with my finger there.
I got another fan that's like half of that. It's like a quarter.
Here, I gotta move this out of the way. Add some flux to this wire too.
I wish I knew where to buy these little connector ends. I have to do that.
Buy what?
The little connector ends that hook through the motherboard and stuff.
Well, PCB Way. PCBWay.com.
PCB Way.
My son is going wild in the background.
That's what they do.
Bam. It's a little difficult, but we are connected. Does that look good? Here.
Damn, I should have brought that thing over.
Just need to clean it up a little. I need to see what I'm doing. Should have put this over, or gotta turn it crap. I'm trying to check out my solder joints here. There we go. Look down in there. At that angle there. And focus. Focus. Focus, damn it. Let me turn it this way. Focus. There we go. Oh yeah, that's decent. Works, should work.
Yeah, I should have brought that over.
Yeah, like I said, we gotta fix all this shit.
Ooh, so wait. Look at that. Oh, shit. That's right one. Okay. Oh, this is the right one. Yeah. Hey, see? It works, CJ. This is how it goes.